What is up, J Squad? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in for another video. I hope all is well. I hope you guys are doing well. And yeah, so today what we're working on, as y'all see behind me, I got this big ass four-wheeler. It's a Cfmoto 800, I believe. And the guy hit me up wanting a lift kit, and they don't make lift kits for these. So yeah, we're gonna try to fab them up some type of one-off lift kit today. Possibly see can we get about 3 inches out of this thing. So I just went and got some Popeyes. I'm about to go smash that. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna let this intro play in. When we get done with the intro, we'll hop back into the video, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. Now that I am back from getting my grub on, like I said, we're gonna be trying to put a lift kit on this thing. Well, we're not gonna try it. We are gonna put a lift kit on this thing. And so what I'm guessing is it has these little forks, like you can see right there. Just gonna make him some taller ones, probably weld those in place. I don't like that bolt-on shit that they be selling. There's another one. Y'all might can see it. I don't know. But right there at the shock mount. Gonna be just making him some longer ones. So I got some metal. I'm gonna cut it up and everything. So yeah, like I said, we got this, little project going on. So what I'm gonna do is the four-wheeler sits at a height, like a stock height now. I'm going to jack it up just to where the tires are starting to lift, and whatever that measure, I'll measure it right now at how it sits, and then I'll measure it after I done jacked it up with the jack, and whatever that is, I'll put that, I'll make new mounting points for the shocks. The measurement was 23.5. After I jacked it up, we was at 25.5. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add an extra ½ inch to accommodate for like spring, when they sit on the bike, how it compresses the spring a little bit. So I'm just gonna add 2.5 inches. Now I'm gonna go ahead and rip these tires off. And then we'll, undo the shocks, and we'll get to making those pieces. All right, y'all can see better at what we got going on. So right here, going to be making this taller. So from here, we're going to add 2.5 inches up from the center of this bolt hole. That'll push all this up some more. We're not going to touch the top. We're just going to worry about this down here. So my plan is here, we're going to add 2.5 inches up from the center of this bolt hole. All right, so I went on ahead and did one part to make sure I had this all right, because I didn't, want to bend and did the wrong shit, or something that prolongs the video or whatever. And I didn't want y'all calling me, like saying like he knew this shit wasn't gonna work or anything. So I went on ahead and did one, and this is what we came up with. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to weld it right along the bottom right there. So this right here is just pretty much like a safety. So now I just got to make another one and mimic that. Let's see. Yeah, just like that. So I gotta make 3 more of these, and then like I said, I'm gonna weld those in place. Pieces are made. Hot. Clean this metal off a little bit, then we'll be ready to start assembling this shit. And I'm gonna go ahead and weld this first side. So now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and get clamped up. Got my gas set, got my welder set. Bruh, y'all look at that, man. Y'all can't see that bead. Damn, that bead clean as hell. Alright, so pretty much got everything bolted up and stuff. So I'm gonna put the tires on it. I'll worry about getting a bolt to go through that later. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put the tires on and see did we maintain our height. All right, y'all, moment of truth. See how high this thing sits. Woo. Woo. Neutral. Sure we ain't know nothing. Roll it back. Y'all can see we lifted. My boy up there, you hear me? My boy is up there. I don't know if you need to touch the back. Y'all can see how high this bad boy is. I picked the back up a little bit because when you pick the back up, it'll stay. So that'll give you a general idea of how high it's gonna set, but this bad boy is setting pretty high. Now for the rear, I guess we're gonna do 2 inches. So it's pretty much the same process. I'm not gonna, bore y'all, taking y'all through the process again. I just wanted to touch bases because I have been busting ass. Y'all see that I got the front done, but I just wanted to show y'all this bracket right here that I had to make. So this is gonna go just like that, get welded right there. So it's gonna be like that. That's what that bracket will look like. Just wanted to show y'all what that look like. I'm gonna go ahead and make the other 3 of these. We're still progressing, losing a little bit of daylight, but we're getting there. What is up, y'all? So as y'all can see, it is the next day. Basically ran out of time, finished late last night. The bike is all back together, but I do have that one side to do. Let me show you, where's my light? Show you guys what the bracket looks like here in the rear. I finished this one side, try to get in there, but y'all can see it in there. But I need to finish this side right here. I still got to make one more bracket and then weld this in. And what I'm gonna do for the sake of this video, I'm gonna do the rear, do this side right here, finish it up, show you guys an overview and stuff like that, because I don't want to drag this video out too long. and I don't want to be working on this all night. I decided I would just show you guys, you know, everything that I have to take apart. So we got the axle out, we got the upper control arm out. I have to set this on a jack stand, which I need to do now. Set it on the jack stand because I'm gonna have to use the jack and mount everything up. I have to put the spring in there and up top, and then I have to use the jack to jack it up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get my pieces, get this cleaned up right here so I can weld it in place, weld this stuff up, and we're gonna be A1. So, like I said, I just decided to show y'all all the shit that I have to take off just in order to get the spring and stuff on. So, I'm gonna go ahead and weld this in right quick. All right, y'all can see. Got it all painted up and everything. Get it all melted in there good. Take it down the road, see what it do, see how it drives. Y'all, so as y'all can see, the bike is completely put back together, painted the pieces, even through both of them, but yeah, everything's all together, no rubbing, rides fine, doesn't drive like it's binding or anything, but she's sitting up tall. So I did check it with the tape, it's level. I don't know why it looks like it's sitting down here a little bit. I think that's just the way the plastic and stuff is made. But I did measure the racks, or whatever you want to call them. These right here, I measured them. They both sit within like 1/8 of each other, I believe. So the back, I think, is a tad bit higher, just a tad bit. But anyways, everything's together. Like I said, drives fine. Everything is Gucci. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna call the owner up, tell him he can come pick this joint up, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, all the newcomers. Appreciate you guys for the support. Y'all, if y'all aren't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, turn the notification bells on so you don't miss a upload. Things have been slow, so I decided to slow down myself. So yeah, you know what I'm saying, till we start getting, you know, like really active on the channel, I guess things are gonna be slow, I don't know. But anyways, I'm not gonna stop grinding. It is what it is. I'm not gonna stop grinding. So, like I said, once again, appreciate, you guys for tuning in. Jank Squad, you know I love you. But we out. Till the next one, y'all.